Hello friends, welcome back to Genography, a channel for market analysis and stock selection. So I am making this video after a long time. That is because of the demand made by few of the investors to know and select a particular stock which is going to give a guaranteed return in this partial lockdown period during this stressed pandemic times. तो चलिए दोस्तों, without wasting much more time, let's see which stock I have identified which is going to give us a return of 15 to 20% upside. But it is not in 2 weeks, but it will take a month time. But I need to invest in this particular stock. So the stock is none other than ICICI Bank, and recently 3 days back Q4 results post हुआ था इस stock का, and we have seen a profit spike of 261% to rupees 4,403 crore. So I have gone through the article for you, and to emphasize the point that I felt very important to mention over here is that the net NPA ratio declined to 1.14% from 1.26% on a performance basis at December 2020. So which is definitely a very positive sign. So without taking much more things, let's look at the graph for the last 5 years for this company's performance, where it has given a return of 170%, but we are not interested in the long term for this stock, particularly at this time. So we are going to look into the 1 year return. So if you look into the 1 year return, we see that the stock has given a 72.10% return in a period of 1 year. And we will quickly look into this large cap stocks PE ratio, which is at 21.96%, rather 22%, and it is less than the sector PE of 28.5%. So we can see that the analysts have suggested investors can buy the stock, and the forecasted rating is at 100% firm. And also if we compare, we can see that it has performed better than HDFC, Kotak Mahindra and Axis Bank for the last year. So without wasting time, I will take you more into the report. So I have gone through the reports for you. I am not going to tell you which company is giving the report, but I know you are smart enough to identify that. So you can see on my screen, right, this company has this brokerage firm has given a target for this company at a 38% upside, that is at 784 rupees from the current stock price. So it was published on 25th April when the report was published. So this report is actually the retrospect of the Q4 result of the company, and I have gone through the graphs for you, but it is a very short video to go through and explain you all the graphs, but I have done the study. And scrolling down the report, I would like to focus on the ROE estimate which has been predicted, and I would see a positive ROE from the analysis over there from the exhibit 8. So exhibit 14 is a statistical sheet and other ratios. So we'll come quickly to into one more report which is published by one more firm. I am not taking the name again. And we can see that this firm has given a target ratio of 32% with a target price of 750 rupees for ICICI Bank. Again, this report was published 2 days back on the eve of the publish of the Q4 result of the company, and I have gone through this entire report, and I would not prefer to take you through all the graphs and the exhibits given in this report. So one more thing that you are going to observe in this report, that it is clearly showing that it has this company has missed the street estimate. The estimate made by this firm and the other reports also. It has missed, and still it has performed so huge. So that is one more positive sign. P ratio is also comparatively low, and which makes me more bullish for the stock at this time. But to summarize, I am still not very positive on this 32% either. So I am going to set a target of 720 rupees for the stock. The current price of the stock is just 598 rupees, which is around about 600 rupees by the time the market opens tomorrow. So I am targeting upside of 120 rupees for this, based on this report which you can see on my screen. And to confirm my target, I have also gone through one more report which you can see in the screen. There is a last report I'm going to show you. So based on this free report, I have come to a conclusion with analysis that if we buy this current stock with a target price of 600 rupees, at the current price of 600 rupees, we can target an upside of rupees 120, that is around 20% to 720 rupees within a period of 1.5 months. So that's all, friends, and if there is any other query, please don't forget to mention in the comment section, and let's come back for one more good stock selection in the next upcoming videos. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon, and also like, share and comment.